Okay, cool. So this is the current car, yeah. It's category S 2 times, piece of shit. So I thought I'm gonna switch it up. So we've got a new car. It's a car we've also had before. Quick review on it, a rapid one. But there's something very special about this car. And believe it or not, it's actually not a dinger. For the first time, we bought something that's not a dinger. Christmas rush, mate. Why is she in the back and he's in the front? Shoved this bird in the boot. Anyway, so it's great. It's the same colour. Wow. So when you go in, seats are of all religions. So they're cloth, they're Alcantara, and they're leather. So you can't really chat shit because I've got all three, mate. In the interior, we've got some spare change. We've got a DSG. But if you look at the mileage, right, this is proof it's not a dinger. 15,400 reta. I know there's probably something ridiculous in the thumbnail, but don't be disheartened, bro. Don't you reckon that's the lowest mileage Scirocco?
Oh, 100%.
Bro, considering they don't made it since 2018.
Yeah.
This is the lowest. This is probably one of the newest ones as well. Yeah. Lowest mileage Scirocco in the UK. It's got some interesting spec as well, bro. Look, it's got fishnets, it's got tights, it's wearing leggings, mate. I called them gay and some gays got upset in it. In terms of this is gay. Oh no, that's a homage to the original Scirocco. Alright then, that's a homage to the original Scirocco.
Do you want me to guide you out?
Guide me out. Come on, bro. I got a camera in my head. I'm a better reverser than you, bro. You had to do a 6-point turn up there. I managed to do it in 3. Oh my god, this twat sandwiched us in. Yeah, I did the parking on that, by the way. Bro, you know I've had this set up so much. Golf and Scirocco. I had a Golf R, a red Scirocco at the same time. Then we had a blue Golf R, Scirocco R black same time. This is the third coming, mate. I always have one of the two. And you know I get asked so much. Not what I get asked, but what people ask, which one's better, Scirocco or Golf. I think the Scirocco looks better personally. Obviously that you're subject to your opinion, innit, of what looks better.
Yeah, yeah.
Some people like dark skins, bro. I don't think they look nice. So obviously, you know what I mean? It's literally a matter of opinion. I think looks wise, this one's better, bro. This is like, it's got arse, it's got a fat arse. It is genuinely brand new. Even the seat bolster. And it's not even no fake mileage or anything. You know what my channel's like. There's always like, oh, it's 50k, it's been clocked back 100k. Like I said at the start, I'm not even being sarcastic. This car genuinely is not a dinger. And it shouldn't be on my channel in the first place because it's not shit. Last time these lot saw you was when we blew up your A1. But
oh, that's sad, man.
We never gave an update. Basically, it's A1. I remapped it and then it blew up. The car got written off. Not written. Well, it's probably been resold now, innit? But we wrote it off from our lives.
In S mode, was it?
S mode, cause we're in sport mode. It don't pull as quick as the GT dinghy though. Wow,
GT dinghy.
No, what's it called? GT dinghy. GTD. No, as for the stats, it's 100 and something horsepower. It's not as quick as the GTD, but I reckon it'll be 150. But I might be completely wrong. I know that the normal Golf's a 150 2-litre diesel. It's not like the craziest spec in the world, but I don't really care about spec personally.
Bit right.
Bit f***ing right, mate. Bad memories or something.
Yeah, my mate wrote an RSQ3 off here.
Oh, you lot work at Audi, innit?
Yeah.
We'll tell your mate to get a grip because with all due respect, he had a 4-wheel drive Quattro and he wrote it off there.
Yeah. Coming that way though, get backwards.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's probably sharper from that side, innit?
Yeah. Cyclist and all.
You know what, I have missed DSG. And this one is a snappy one as well. You can tell it's actually not been abused.
Yeah.
The worst Scirocco you can get, the middle range, which is this, and I'm at the top range, and they're all fun, I reckon. As for the visibility, I think you have to get used to it a bit. If you're trying to reverse, just try and go forward. But other than that, nah, but it's manageable, innit? It's fine. Got the sensors though.
Yeah.
But they piss me off because they always turn your music down.
I know.
Like, cool, I'm gonna crash, but this is the drop. He's a weirdo, bro. My man drives 20 in the 60 and now he's driving 50 in the village.
What are we doing?
I'm not sure. I think the T-Rock wants to hang about. What have we seen? Seen something we like? How's the house for sale?
Everyone wants the house.
Everyone wants it, mate. What's so good about it?
Greystones, that's what it's called.
It ain't that, bro. I ain't got a driveway. Well, there's no point in no driveway, mate. Where am I going to put GTD and Trucker? You know what I hate about these cars?
What?
That used to bug me is how heavy the doors are.
Oh, no.
They're long, they're heavy. You know in the car parks, because everyone parks right next to you, then you can't really get in the car. You did not tell me. Very nice road, cousin.
Pretty nice. Oh, what's the Mini doing? Oh, there's two.
What's going on here then? Oh, bro, they're not that massive cars. These are acting like they've bought HGVs down here. Look at this though. Look at this for a bloody view. It's just a shame about the sun though. I know my camera don't like the sun. Camera's a bloody emo, mate. I will say, you know, turning circle on these is very good.
Like 11 meters or something.
Yeah, it's nice. People love eyeing me up here, you know.
I love it.
You ever actually smile at the white people, then remember you're brown and that you're not even supposed to be here? I just love something about the Christmas time and these views. Look at that, my man's got a barn, mate. Sorry, cousin.
No,
See, you got your cold hands in your pockets. What a view, innit, cuz?
proper nice.
You know, it sounds understeering. I feel like it kind of hooks you back in.
Yeah.
Without you having to let go of the throttle or brake or anything.
Yeah, it's sort of just like push you back in.
Gear 3's like a little gossipy girl in uni. It's got talk, you know what I mean? It's just got it.
Shut up.
It doesn't stop, bro. Just chat shit.
My mate loved his maths book at her.
Aw, leave
not at
her
but,
alone.
like, she was sat there, the whiteboard was there, he loved it at the whiteboard. And
Bro, why would you actually do that job?
I don't know, like.
But let yourself get victimised. Obviously, I can't speak because I've not been one, so
Yeah.
obviously there's something I don't know.
Good pay,
But if you're gonna do a humiliation ritual, bro, then why don't you do it in front of P. Diddy or someone and get some money out of it? Do you know what I mean? Why are you doing it in the school, bro?
Where you gonna
Get a career out of it, innit? Like some weird old man, yeah, does something to some kid.
Yeah.
And then you look at his living situation, he lives in a 2-bedroom block, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I'm just there thinking that celebrities have had to do what you've done to get rich.
Yeah.
And you've done it for free. Do you know where I'm
Yeah,
getting
I know
at?
what you
Like,
mean,
what an actual idiot. I'm gonna need a minimum 20 grand.
After this bridge, you might be able to gap him.
No gapping, cousin, because we've got a camera on our head. Oh, it just goes round, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's got enough power, you know. People like bully 150 horsepower, but the car is reasonably light. It's quite nimble. Oh, it picks up speed so nice.
It doesn't stop gaining.
Yeah, hold speed. This is a good variant to get. Not as good as my last one, but I wouldn't say it's a good all-rounder though, because obviously with it being a 2-door and all that.
Yeah.
But if you are just by yourself, no birds. If you are,
Or just one.
okay, if you've just got, honestly, if you've got your girlfriend, you don't need a massive car, then I don't see what's
It's
wrong
not
with
ideal
this.
for a family.
The one thing, genuinely, your bird won't like having to. I feel like I'm talking very personal here, but your missus won't like the heavy doors. Like, she's gonna like pull them and get in. And trust me, you'll know, like, the doors on these they're just heavy. Fair enough, you know what I mean? If she's getting into like a Huracan or something, but she's not. She's getting into a Volkswagen, so it's like, allow it.
Fucking butterfly doors.
Butterfly doors in here.
Yeah.
But that'll give you. That's a bicep workout getting these doors off the ground. So many blind bends around here, mate.
Hey ho.
This is a very smooth gearbox. You can tell it's not been, well, before we had it, but before us, Mildred's taking good care of the thing. It's gonna get a lovely view of the Rocco, innit? Oh, do you see what I mean? It hooked us round there. Don't know. He's probably getting sick of the sight
I
of
was gonna say,
us.
it's seen this like 3 times.
What, it don't have a manual?
No, it does.
But that's
It's
drive.
default.
Oh no, yeah, let me do it then, innit? Because I think the DSG's are spastic.
Right,
Is that manual?
It's in full manual, yeah. When you change it.
Oh yeah. He's used to Mildred shifts. Mildred probably never put it in manual mode.
He's used to shifting the 2K revs.
She only shifted it, popped it in reverse, and I was at the car park, mate. It's a shame when these nice cars get ruined by Asians. This car is so nice, genuinely. 15,000 miles, and it's that old. Which some people would argue is bad, but it's fine, honestly.
8 years old.
Yeah, bro, the fluids and everything has been like just sat in here, but the car is working fine, I can't lie. Bro, you're meant to be looking the other way if you're waiting for the bus. My man's looking at the wall. Oh, should I tell them the story of what happened? To do with the bus?
Yeah.
It's a bit hypocritical, considering what you're watching now, boys, yeah? But the other day, I'm walking and there's a woman, and she goes, yo, excuse me, love, do you know how to get to... She's at the bus stop, bear in mind, yeah? And I know how to get to this place. She's on the wrong side of the road. She needs to go on the bus stop on the opposite side of the road, which we can literally see from where we're stood. So I tell her, look, I can't lie, look up on your phone if that bus is even coming, but go wait on the other side of the road. So technically, I'm the reason she's redirected herself to the other side of the road. I start crossing the road as well, because I actually needed to cross, and then I just heard like tyres squealing for a good 10 seconds, and I'm looking left and I'm not seeing nothing, so I'm thinking, what the hell is this the end of the world or something, or what? And then behind me I just hear a massive bang. I turn around, my legs have been whipped with like bits of glass and brick. Like, I wasn't cut or anything, it wasn't hard, lucky it was just my legs. Bro, I turn around on the complete opposite side of the road, there's some electric Skoda, and it's just been written off, it's been mangled, like the car's finished. And then some guy comes out, oh, help me please. To be fair, it wasn't that hurt, like I think if he had injuries they were probably minor. Still, it's a bit mad, innit? Yeah. And I was just looking at the woman over the road like, I saved your life, love. But I didn't ask anything for it. I started kicking bricks and everything off the road. There was debris everywhere, innit? It just went everywhere.
Like, imagine she started talking to you about her life story.
Yeah, trust me. It wouldn't be no POV Scirocco, mate. It'd be bloody POV mobility vehicle. Yeah. I wonder if the DSG's been serviced, or if they've done their water pump and cap. Do you know what I mean? With the mileage being so low, but they're still quite old parts. I like how you can see his arches, like his love handles. They're gonna look naughty in a minute, mate. You just wait. So this is the Golf. No batty dials, but engine light. Feels quite a bit more practical in here. Obviously with the shape of it being a bit more like a regular car. Manual, start stop, which I don't like. Straight away, I will say there's less body roll on this. Oh, rah! Is that how you're treating my car, yeah? How are you gonna drive like that and indicate at the end of it? Choose a personality, do you know what I mean?